This is the Charlapalli railway station in Hyderabad. I'm going from Hyderabad to Kolkata. This is my mom going ahead. Going on the AC3 tire. Station looks pretty neat and clean, pretty new. This is the waiting area. This is also pretty neat and clean. This is a train. Trains have become a bit modern nowadays. This is the place I'm sitting. This is my mother again. This is what we had ordered, chicken thali. I really enjoyed the view of the train. Remembering why I like trains so much.